Knowing programming is one of the skills that opens the most doors for us in the world. Companies increasingly need more programmers to be able to stay in operation and to continue growing. Although there are many programmers looking for work today, the offer is so high, and workers change jobs so much, that there is always a gap for others. However, if we are thinking of learning to program, the first thing we should ask ourselves is, what language do I start with? Subscribe to PMFOX Technologies, give it a like, IT helps a lot for the YouTube algorithm. We continue. Today there are dozens of programming languages, each one designed to cover a market and needs within the professional sector. Therefore, it is very important to know how to choose the right programming language if we really want to have more chances of finding a job. Year after year, both the most demanded programming languages, as well as those most used by programmers, keep changing. Thanks to this, users who really want to grow within the professional sector are expanding their knowledge so as not to be left behind and, incidentally, users who are beginning to take their first steps in the sector can specialize in a language before opening up to more possibilities. The most used programming languages. If we look at the most used programming languages of 2022, we find several interesting surprises. The first is that, in the last 4 years, the 3 most used programming languages within this platform have not changed, and the podium is led by JavaScript, followed by Python in second place and Java in third. The next 2 programming languages, those that occupy positions 4 and 5, have also remained unchanged for 2 years, these positions being occupied by TypeScript and SI#. This means that, for 2023, not too many variations are expected in terms of the languages most used and requested by companies, so learning any of them, especially the first 3, will open many doors for us to start working again. Programmer, or to qualify for a better job where you can earn more money. Beware, 5 languages experience exponential growth. But, although the podium continues to be led by the 3 languages that we have already mentioned, in the last year we have been able to see how other programming languages have experienced exponential growth. We are talking, for example, about HCL, which, although it is not a programming language as such, is becoming an essential tool in everything related to automation. Rust is another of the languages that has experienced the greatest growth, with 50%. Therefore, everything indicates that this year, or next year, will also be a key to opening many doors for us at a professional level. And finally, other languages that have experienced growth of around 30% have been TypeScript, Lua, and Go, 3 heavyweights that will soon give us a lot to talk about. Subscribe to PMFOX Technologies, like and share. JavaScript courses, .NET, Python, advice, programming tips and more, don't miss them, that's why I recommend you subscribe. Go to the channel and see the other content. Thanks in advance for watching the video. See you soon.